rocketbrew.com.
Beats by Showdown.
You can't let nobody stand in your way. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up, oh, and take down everything that you cannot change now. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up,
rocketbrew.com.
Roll up with the windows up, I'm still sipping whiskey from the solo cup. She down for whatever cause she know what's up. I'm like roll another one, she said oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, looking out for the rollers. Pass it to the left, I'm looking over my shoulders. Always had a chip, guess it's more so about her. I'm always too on, you'll never see me sober. Yeah, from the bay to the universe. I'll race you to a million, but I do it first. Rap money, stacking lots of yaper. I feel like 06, hot box of scraper, yeah.
You can't let nobody stand in your way. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up, oh, and take down everything that you cannot change now. You just gotta get back up, yeah. You just gotta get back up, oh.
From the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game except I'm pulling more sluts, more butts, more bucks, never giving more fucks. Did it my way, I'm never taking shortcuts. Raised in a town like fool, who put you up on, huh? E40 Mac Dre's who I grew up on. I've been selling game, got you if you need a cue up on. You can check my resume, see every beat I throw up on. Smoking on grapes, rolling up swishers, no papes. Back of the ghost closed drapes, I'm a boss tycoon. Girls in the crowd all swoon. Super high, I'm off to the moon. And I vanish with your girl, then I take her to my room. She wants me to slay, okay that means doom, boom. And it's to be expected, knew this would happen as soon as she texted.
You can't let nobody